1 gallon of stain will cover 170 square feet of a surface. A yard has a total fence area of W square feet. Which equation represents the total amount of stain S in gallons needed to stain the fence in this yard twice? Let's consider the area of the yard, that is W square feet. This area has to be stained twice. Then the area which has to be stained will become 2 times this area, that is 2W. Let's consider the other information. That is 1 gallon of stain will cover 170 square feet of area. Let me write the stuff over here. That is 1 gallon of stain will cover the area of 170 square feet. Let me write it. Now let's divide both these quantities by 170. Let me do it on the right side. Now we have 1 over 170 gallons on the left side. On the right side, the value of this fraction is 1. Then we have 1 square feet. Now let's multiply both these quantities by this area 2W. Let me do it on the left side. Now on the right side. Okay, here 2 goes into 2 1 times, 2 goes into 170 85 times. Now W times 1 is W. Then we have W over 85 gallons on the left side. On the right side, 2W times 1 is 2W, that is 2W square feet. Here I got the amount of stain in gallons, that is W over 85, required to cover this area 2W, that is the yard twice. But the question says S represents the number of gallons of stain required to stain this area. So this S and this one, both of them represent the same stuff, that is the number of gallons of stain required. We can equate them. Then we have S equals to W over 85. We find this equation in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.